Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got my Walmart beauty box, and this is a quarterly box. I've seen a lot of people post theirs. My mail has been so horrible lately, so horrible, so far behind. So, you know, but often when they send these boxes out, it can take a good month for everybody to get theirs, if not longer. So you may see people post, you know, even weeks from now, because that's how it used to be. Sometimes it would be a good month between when I'd get my box and someone else would get theirs, or vice versa. So anyway, I've been getting this Walmart beauty box for quite a while now, and it used to be $5. And the way that they said it was free, and you paid $5 shipping. And now I'm looking at my receipts because that's what I thought they were still doing. But they say that it's $6.98 every 3 months, and that the shipping is free. So it used to be free, and the shipping was they raised it to $6.98. So anyway, it also says this season we're bringing you skincare, hair care, and cosmetics sweeter than pumpkin spice. The fall beauty box is packed with at least 4 fabulous products, valued at over $17 for just $6.98. And that's not all. Every subscriber will receive an Olay cleansing melt, perfect for refreshing your skincare routine. Don't miss out on this autumn treat. That was an email that they sent to me. So here it is. I love the pink box. We've been getting a pink box, I think, since spring. It used to be a light blue, which was fine, but it's just nice to, you know, switch it up. And this means we have something like a spray in there, a deodorant, which I did see people get deodorants, or a, you know, dry shampoo or something. Oh, and when you open it, it looks like this. There's just a little tiny sheet of tissue in there. And then there is a booklet. Whoops, here's the front of it. It says Fall for Beauty, Walmart Beauty Box. So this is quarterly, and it's if you want to subscribe to a box because you like the idea of getting a subscription box, but you really can't afford to, this is $6.98. Plus every state is different on the taxes. So, you know, check it out, y'all. Now, I just found this out, that I thought everybody got the very same booklet, but we don't. We're getting booklets that are more fashioned to what we actually get in our box. So this says, meet your next obsessions. Jumpstart fall routine with the best in beauty for face, body, and hair. And the wonderful thing about the Walmart Beauty Box is all these things are rather inexpensive, and you can pick them up at your Walmart or online. So they're easy to come by. If you like something, they're easy to come by. So this says, shop these favorites and find ingredient information at walmart.com/beautybox. Okay, so it shows 2, 3, 4, 5 things for me. So you get 4 to 7, I think is what it said. So let's see what I got. I have seen other people get 6 things. 1, 2, 3. Well, I have 6 things. Oh, because this is in there. I guess this is like a quote-unquote free sample that everybody is getting. This is really interesting. I have never seen this before. Trying to see in there, but it's hard to do. Let's see. It's Olay. So Oil of Olay brand. I think they changed their name from Oil of Olay to just Olay, didn't they? And these are cleansing melts, water activated daily facial cleanser. It has vitamin C, and there's 4 dissolving pads in here. So let's see. I've seen a few people get it. I think everybody is getting it, is what it said. But I didn't see anybody open it. So this would be great for travel. I'm going to put this right in my travel bag. 3-in-1 cleans, tones, and refreshes. Oh, it does everything. So you don't have to travel. You've got 4 days here. Well, I wash my face in the morning, wash my face at night, so maybe only 2 days. But it says that it cleans and it tones and refreshes. That's interesting. So the directions, they're pads. It's a resealable. It says it's resealable, so let's check it out. I thought this would pop. Yeah, it does. It's not easy, but it pops out of here. Okay, so this is it, a little tray, and then this is, oh, that's cool. This is resealable. Whoops. There are 4 pads in here, y'all. So oh, they smell good. They smell really good. So, it says that you soak it a little bit and then activate it. So you'll put it in your hand and soak it, and then you'll do this, and then you'll wash your face. How cool is that? So, and there are 4 pads, so this is perfect for traveling. That's what I would use them for. I'm going to put this in my travel bag. That's what I'm going to do. And this might be something that I would buy in the future to put in my travel bag, because then you don't have to carry all the products that you save by not having, you know, to carry your toner and your cleanser and all that stuff. So pretty cool. It goes like this, I think. So that is really cool. I spent too much time on that. But anyway, everybody got that. All right, let's see what else is in my box. There are some things on the back that are being advertised. And I did get, okay, so they do tell you the full size of the Olay, I should have to stop saying that, Olay cleansing melts with vitamin C. $9.88, and there's 32 in a package. So I think that's great for traveling. And then next, so far I think I've seen everybody get this, and I do like getting this, y'all. We've gotten it before. This is a different scent. This is Degree. This is a nice travel size deodorant. So, you know, you shake it, and it's an antiperspirant deodorant. In Sexy Intrigue is the scent. Uh-oh. So when you take the cap off, this little doohickey fell off of it, but that could just go right back on. I'll give it a spritz and see. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it smells good. So, you know, spritz, and you're done. So this is great for traveling, perfect for traveling, except you cannot take this on the plane, I don't think. But you can put this in your suitcase. I don't think you have to check that out, because it's this is the thing why we got that thing on the box. Because this can, I guess because of the pressure, it can explode. Anyway, the full size of this is $6.12, which is 3.8 ounces. This one is just a small, I don't know what the ounce is, 1 ounce. So it says protect from sweat and odor for up to 72 hours with scents of jasmine, red rose, Tahitian vanilla, and spicy amber. It just smells pretty. I don't smell anything too fantastic in there. Okay, and next we have, this is not what's on. Okay, so I have only 5 things on this pamphlet, but this is not on the pamphlet. They have a Maybelline Lash Sensational Firework Washable Mascara, but it's not in here. So, oh, yes it is. Yes it is. I've got an extra. Or, you know, y'all, I'm bonkers, but I have 6 things instead of the 5. All right, so I've got the Maybelline Fireworks. So this says, in the full size is $10.98. This is not full size, because you know a full size might be about this, but that's a good size deluxe sample, y'all. It is, let me read, oh, it doesn't say much. It just says that it's Maybelline Lash Sensational Firework Washable Mascara. That's what it says. Well, I'll start using it right away. Let's see what the brush looks like. Oh, wow. This is a silicone brush, and it's very, very soft. I mean, it moves. I don't know if I'll like that, y'all, because it moves a lot. That's sort of weird. Anyway, but I'll start using it right away, and I'll let you know soon how it is. And then this is the thing that is not on my brochure. So what is it? It's a Physician's Formula, and this is Butter Glow. This is a liquid bronzer, So anyway, I know someone who likes this Physician Formula brand, the bronzer in the powder. So I will be sending this to her. Andy does stuff. I don't know, Andy, if you like the liquid, but you'll be getting that at some point. At some point when I send out some friend mail, I'll send you that, because she loves Physician's Formula bronzer in the powder, I believe. But this is liquid, so interesting. Have no information about how much this costs, y'all, to tell you. So can't tell you anything. And then I got what appears to be, is this a full-size product? 3.4 ounces. You know, it is the color I cannot see. I can't see it. And Blue, are you sitting on my magnifier? No, he's not. Y'all, this, whatever this is, yeah, this is full size. 3.45 ounces says. The brochure says 3.4 ounces. And this is L'Oreal Paris Elvive Hyaluron Pure Oil Erasing Scalp Serum. This is very nice. It is sealed. This thing is called the gripper. Helps prevent liquid leaks. So you can see this is like water in here. So oil erasing scalp serum. So I grew up with oily hair, but as a 60-plus-year-old woman, I don't have oily hair anymore. Maybe a little bit, but not a lot. So I don't know that I would use this. It doesn't give much information on the card, just that it's a $10.97 value. So this more than paid for the box right here. Maybe I'll try it. Exfoliating complex, it says. Scalp oil erasing scalp serum. Oily, what do you do? Let's see what we do. Instant results. Formula powered by 6% exfoliating. I don't need to read all that. Use with hyaluron. They want you to buy all the pieces to it to use the whole system. Before shampooing, section dry hair and apply serum directly to scalp. Recommend 1 to 2 doses. Massage for 5 minutes and leave on for a recommended time of 15 minutes. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. So somebody with oily hair, this might be in your future giveaway. I won't be doing that. Okay, and then my last item, I think everybody, so far, I think I've seen everybody get this that I've watched. This is the NYX Professional Makeup Duck Plumping Lip Gloss. Full size would be $12.97. So this is a deluxe sample. This is clear. I don't know why is it called Duck Plump. It makes your lips like that, like a duck. It is an extreme sensation, it says. There's like yellow crime scene tape at the top that says extreme sensation. So not my favorite kind of thing. I do have a couple, and yeah, I don't what's that gonna do? That's not gonna make me lips like this. Not gonna do it. And if I look like this, I wouldn't like it. So not my thing. But I know people that like this as well. And it may be you in a future giveaway if you like that. So I got the full size. This is very nice if you have oil. I think this would, if you have really bad oily hair, you can have some dandruff just because of the sebum and all that. So that's a nice product, full size. We've got this I will definitely use. And we've got this I'm passing on, the Physicians Formula, the Plumping Lippy. This I think is the coolest thing. When I saw people open it, I'm like, ugh. But you know what? Now that I have it in my hands, this is really cool. The Olay melts. I love that. Blue is right here, and I think he's sitting on things. Maybe not. And then I have the mascara. So I think that's all I got, y'all. Thanks for stopping by to see my Walmart beauty box. And like I said, this is something, I have a link below for them, but you sign up and it's just a website. We don't get anything for you signing up under us. It's so affordable, y'all. If you think about it, $6.98, that is $7 for 3 months. Because every 3 months you'll be charged that $6.98 plus your tax from your state. So that's $2.33 plus some tax. That's affordable for anybody, really. So I hope that if you want to try a beauty box and you're afraid, this might be just the thing for you. So you can try a few things out. And I did forget to mention, I have version 11. So I saw version 1, and I think I saw version 7. I'm not sure what else I saw, but they have a lot of versions. So you'll see a lot of different things. You may see one you love and you didn't get it. Hopefully that's not the case. Hopefully you'll like what you get. Y'all take care and count your blessings. Good to see you. Bye-bye.